see my reflection in your eyes tonight. I have seldom seen a greater sight. For you never should have let me walk away. You don't meet people like me every day, and this cold earth will suffer sweetly when I pack my bags and die. For I am so great, I wonder why. Do you feel that my tongue sits wryly in my cheek? Or are you butchered by these words I speak? For this is the posthumous song of a genius, where I'll probably